Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss about the J transform which is asked in GATE. Okay, and I will cover from GATE 2011 to GATE 2015 questions. Now let's start the first question. Here is given two system H1Z, H2Z are connected in cascade as shown in below. The overall output yn is the same as input xn with a unit delay. The transfer function of cascade system H2Z each. We have to find out we know that in cascade H1Z in H2Z will be multiply. Then overall transfer function is unit delay. So H1Z multiply H2Z will be Z inverse. It's happen in transform form, maybe in S and Z, but not in time domain. In time domain will be in cascade it will be the convolution of two system. But in transform form Z, either you can take the S transform, either you can take the Z transform. In both case it will be multiplication. So H1Z is given. How much is given H1Z? H1Z is given 1 minus 0.4 Z inverse upon 1 minus 0.6 Z inverse into H2Z is equal to Z inverse. So H2Z will be Z inverse into 1 minus 0.6 Z inverse upon 1 minus 0.4 Z inverse. Okay, so right answer will be Z inverse 1 minus 0.6, maybe option B. Yeah, right answer will be option B will be the right answer. Okay, so this one asked in GATE 2011 for 2 marks. Very simple. Now comes to next question. Here is given if xn is equal to 1 by 3 n. If xn, sorry, one mistake is here, mod n. Okay, xn is equal to 1 by 3 mod n minus 1 by 2 per power n un, then the region of convergence ROC of the Z transform its Z plane will be. GATE 2012 for 1 marks. See, xn is given 1 by 3 mod n minus 1 by 2 and un. Un means it will be the right hand signals and it will be defined for n greater than 0 to infinity, positive side. But here is the mod n. It means it will be defined both direction, and when you break the mod n for negative it will be the minus n, and for positive it will be plus n. Okay, so then xn will be half n un plus 1 by 3 minus n u minus n minus 1, means entire plane it will be covered, and minus 1 by 3, oh sorry, minus 1 by 2 to power n un. Okay, so check it. Here three function is there. This one is the x1n, here is the x2n, and here is the x3n. So first of all x1n Z transform xz, it will be 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 Z inverse, and ROC will be mod z for right hand signal, mod z greater than 1 by 3 always. Okay, and otherwise we can check it like this way. I told you this one is the common ratio in previous video, and less than, it should be less than 1. Then what will happen? 1 by 3 mod greater than mod z. In such a way you can find out. Otherwise from here. Next is x2z. What will happen in x2z? Here is the C. For first modified x2n. x2 and here is the, we can say that 1 by 3 and to power minus n, minus 1 minus n u n minus 1. Okay, and x2z will be n is equal to -1 to minus infinity, and here minus 1 by 3 to minus n and z to power minus n. Okay, then what will happen here? Check it. Then sorry, this one is plus, it will be the plus 1 by 3 is the plus to power n. Now when you take the negative sign, then 1 by 3 positive and z plus 1 by 3 square z square plus 1 by 3 z cube, like this way. And in geometrical progression, what will happen? This one is the take the 1 by 3 z common, this one 1 plus 1 by 3 z plus 1 by 3 square z square plus dot dot dot. Then first term will be 1 by 3 z and 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 z. Okay, this one, and modified it once again, modified it. Then what will happen? Here is the common ratio 1 by 3 z also, and modify it, divide by 1 by 3 z. Okay, 1 by 3 and z. Then what will happen? 1 here, 1 by 3 z minus 1. Then we can modify 1 by 3 z inverse minus 1, and we can say that minus 1 minus 3 z inverse. Okay, then ROC, what will be the ROC? Common ratio is 1 by 3 z, it should be less than 1. Then what will happen? Mod z should be less than 3. And we can say that from here, always remember from here also, for in above, check it for A1 right hand signal, mod z is greater than 1 by 3, means multiplication of z inverse, always right hand signal, mod z greater than multiplication of z inverse, and here it will be the less than multiplication of z inverse. So mod z greater less than by 3. And for these signals 1 by 2, this one is the right hand signals. So for ROC, for that one ROC for x3 z will be 1 by 2 z inverse, and mod z greater than 1 by 2. So common ROC will be 1 by 2, mod z greater than 1 by 2. Here is the mod z greater than 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the less. So start from the 1 by 3, mod z 1 greater than 1 by 3, less than 3. So overall answer will be, it will be valid from 1 by 3 to 3. So show you. Wait. 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So common ROC will be intersection. Yeah, when you take the 1 by 3, then it will be not valid, because 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, it will be not valid, this one x3z. So common RC will be 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 to 3, because in case of 1 by 3 is less 0.33, 0.5, so 0.5 means 1 by 3 is greater than also 0.5 greater than. So option C will be the right answer. Comes to next question. Let action is equal to minus half to power n un minus 1 by 3 to power n u n minus n minus 1, means here is the right handed, here left handed. The region of convergence of ROC Z transform of xz is, for right handed, check it, for right handed mod z greater than 1 by 9. Okay, mod z greater than 1 by 9, and for left handed mod z less than 1 by 3. Okay, so less than equal to 1 by 3. So our C will be, check it, our C will be mod z greater than 1 by 3 and less than, sorry, greater than 1 by 3, less than 1 by 3. Okay, yeah, we can say the mod z greater than 1 by 9, less than 1 by 3, we can say. So option C will be the right answer. You can check it. There is no effect of negative. Here is the negative, no effect, because we are taking the mod. Question number 4. Let xn is equal to x minus n. Let xz be the z transform of xn if 0.5 plus j 0.25 is a 0 of xz. Which one of the following must also be 0 of xz? See, solution, xn is equal to x minus n. Okay, so xn z transform is xz, so x minus n z transform is x z inverse. So 0 of xz, 0 of xz will be 1 upon here z inverse, and z inverse here 1 0 is given, so 0.5 plus j 0.25 here 0 of xz. So it will be the right answer, and option will be B will be the right answer. Comes to next question. This question asked in GATE 2014 for 2 marks. The input-output relation of a causal stable LTI system is given. If impulse response of Hn of this system satisfy the condition of, this one is given, summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity, Hn is equal to 2, the relationship between alpha and beta. We have to find the relationship between alpha and beta. Solution, yn is equal to alpha y n minus 1 plus beta x n. Okay, so taking the z transform, then yz is equal to alpha z transform alpha yz z inverse plus beta xz. Okay, then what will happen? Go yz one side, 1 alpha z inverse plus beta x z. Okay, yz upon xz, beta upon 1 minus alpha z inverse. Okay, so Hn will be, here action is the impulse response. Okay, the impulse response, then if impulse response Hn is impulse response, means action is impulse response, then what will happen? Then Hn will be beta, when you take the inverse, this one is the, what is the Hz, when xz is impulse, then beta alpha to power n u n. Compare with other summation n is equal to 0 to infinity, Hn is equal to 2. So summation n is equal to 0 to infinity, beta alpha n un equal to 2. Then what will happen? Beta common, because n is variable here, 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube up to alpha infinity and 2. This one is the geometrical progression. GP summation will be beta common raised to 1, first term 1 minus alpha 2. Then what will happen? Beta upon 1 minus alpha equal to 2, or beta is equal to 2 minus 2 alpha. Relation will be beta alpha 2 minus beta. We can say that here is alpha is equal to, we have to find out because answer is given in terms of alpha. Okay, so alpha is equal to beta minus 2 okay, here minus beta plus 2 alpha, इसलिए alpha is equal to, so alpha is equal to 1 plus 1 minus beta by 2, 1 minus beta by 2, alpha is equal to a. Right, a. Now comes to next question. Question number 5. Now comes to next question. Question number 6. For all past system as z is equal to z inverse minus b upon 1 minus a z inverse, where mod ash e to power j omega is equal to 1 for all omega. For if real a not equal to 0, imaginary a is not equal to 0, then b equals to. For given system as z is equal to z inverse minus b upon 1 minus a z inverse, the poles lie at z is equal to a and 0 lie at z is equal to a upon b. Okay, poles lie z is equal to a, poles at z is equal to a and 0 at z is equal to 1 by b. Okay, and here is the given complex nature h e to power j omega is equal to 1. So mod h e to power minus j omega is equal to 1 for all omega. The poles lie at a, then 0 must be present at a, complex conjugate. Okay, so for all pass filter. Okay, so poles to 0 must be at 1 by a complex conjugate. So 1 by b is equal to 1 by complex conjugate a. So b is equal to a complex conjugate. So b is equal to 1a complex conjugate. Right answer will be b. Question number 7. Let as z is equal to 1 minus p z inverse to power z inverse, h2 z is equal to 1 minus q z inverse power z inverse. As z is given h1z plus r h2z, the quantities p, q, r are real number. Consider the p is equal to half, q is equal to minus 1 by 4, mod r less than 1. If the 0 of hz is lie on the unit circle, then r is equal to. Solution. h1z is given 1 minus p z inverse minus 1 and h2z given 1 minus q z inverse minus 1. Okay, so p is equal to is given half and q is equal to given minus 1 by 4. Then as z is h1z plus h2z. Okay, and h2z into r. Then what will happen? Put it 1 minus p z inverse plus r1 minus q z inverse is equal to, we can write as 1 minus 1 half z inverse plus r 1 minus 1 plus 4 1 by 4 z inverse. Okay, then h z is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4 z inverse plus r 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse upon 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse 1 plus 1 by 4 z inverse. Okay, so 0 of az will be 1 plus r, and after simplification p plus q plus pr z inverse is equal to 0. Then z is equal to q plus pr upon 1 plus r. Since the 0 of sz lie on the unit circle, therefore mod z is equal to 1 and mod z is equal to 1 or z is equal to plus minus 1. Here is the given the unit circle. If the 0 of z is lie on the unit circle, here is the given z is unit circle. So that's why we found out z0. So then z is equal to 1 is equal to q plus pr upon 1 plus r. Okay, and put it all the values and find out r is equal to minus 2.5. Okay, so mod r is less than 1 and but mod r is less than 1 or minus 1 to r1. When you take that z is equal to minus 1 and then simplify it q plus pr 1 plus r, then you will get the r is equal to minus 0.5 and answer will be minus 0.5. Okay, fill in the blanks. Now comes to next question. Question number 8. The z transform of the sequence xn is given, xz something is given with the region of convergence mod z greater than 2, then xz is equal to 2 each. See, region of convergence is given mod z greater than 2. It means the right hand signals. Then xz is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 z inverse upon 2. We can write as 1 minus 2 z inverse minus 2. After binomials, 1 plus 4 z inverse plus 12 z minus 2, like this way. Okay, so this one is the x0 means 0 position, this one is the 1 position, this one is the x2 position. So x2 position is 12. Answer will be 12. Now comes to next question. For the discrete time system shown in the figure, poles of the system transfer function are located at. Here is the given we have to find out the transfer function and we have to find out the poles. Solution. Let us consider. Yeah. We have to take it. Here is the action and y1 here is the coming y1. Okay, and y1 is given from here and y1 is also given here. Okay, so we can check from here. Okay, here how much you are getting. So here is getting action and minus y n minus 1 and n minus 2 into 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, that's why minus 1. And here after that from here is the nothing but yn, and then yn is given. This part is, let us consider this one is the pn and here is the pn getting like this way. Now pn and yn is equal to, then yn is equal to Pn plus yn minus 1, because n minus 1 this term, n minus 1 and 5/6. So then yn is equal to xn minus yn minus 2 1/6 plus y n minus 1 5/6. Okay, then take the z transform. Yz is equal to xz minus yz upon z minus 2 1/6 plus z inverse yz 5/6. Then yz 1 plus 1/6 z minus 2 minus z inverse 5/6 x z. Then yz upon xz is equal to 1/1 plus 1/6 z minus 2 minus 5/6 z inverse. Okay, then we have to factorize it. Okay, after factorization we can get poles, and we can get here 6 is common, take it to 6 here above, and 5 1 6 6 plus z minus 2 minus 5 z inverse. Then z minus 2 plus minus 3 z inverse minus 2 z inverse and plus 6. So after simplification, z minus 1 common, z inverse minus 3 minus 2 common, z inverse minus 3. So here 6 is above, 6 z inverse minus 2 and z inverse minus 3, and it will be, the poles will be z is equal to 1/2 and 1/3. So option will be 1/2 1/3. Option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. This one is asked in GATE 2015 for 2 marks. The pole zero diagram of causal and stable discrete time system is shown in the figure. The zero at origin has multiplicity 4. Zero net origin multiplicity is 4. The impulse response of the system Hn, if H0 is equal to 1, we can conclude Hn is real for all n, Hn is the purely imaginary for all n, Hn is the real for only even n, Hn is the purely imaginary for all n, odd, only odd. Okay, now we can say that Hz is equal to, here the zero at origin has multiplicity of 4, means transfer function 0 is given origin and multiplicity is 4. 4 0 at origin. Okay, and comes to poles position. The poles is complex conjugate here, and poles is to your poles from graph, poles is 1/2 plus minus 1/2 z, and here or another poles is minus 1/2 plus minus j 1/2. Okay, so in both direction, so we can write it z minus 1/2 square plus 1/4. Okay, and z plus 1/2 square plus 1/4. We can write the transfer function like this way. After simplification, z will be z to power 4 and z4 plus z square plus 1/4 minus z square, and as z then it will be cancel out. Then as z will be Z4 upon Z4 1 by 4, and we have to take the inverse Z4 plus 1 by 4 and Z4, then 1 minus 1 by 4 Z minus 4 dot dot dot, then it will be the Z4 plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So option 80, Hn is real for all, and it will be the real because after inverse we are taking the 1 minus 4 and then all the real value are coming. Okay, the option A will be the right answer. Thank you for watching. If you